Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make hummus by Kunal Kapoor's method. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 1 cup of cooked chickpeas, 2 tablespoons of tahini, and the juice of 1 fresh lemon. Don't forget 2 cloves of garlic, a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, a 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin, and a pinch of salt. These simple components are the foundation for a truly delicious hummus. Now let's move on to the preparation. Place your cooked chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice, garlic, cumin, and salt into a food processor. Begin blending on a low setting, gradually increasing the speed. Continue processing for about 3 to 5 minutes, scraping down the sides as necessary. If the mixture is too thick, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of ice-cold water until it reaches a silky smooth texture. The secret to Kunal Kapoor's hummus is its incredibly smooth and airy texture. After blending for a few minutes, you'll notice it becoming lighter. Keep processing until it's completely free of lumps, almost like a mousse. This might take up to 7 minutes. If it's too thick, add a teaspoon of ice water at a time. If it's too thin, a little more tahini can help. Finally, it's time to serve your homemade hummus. Spoon the creamy mixture into a shallow bowl, creating a beautiful swirl with the back of your spoon. Drizzle generously with a tablespoon of high-quality extra virgin olive oil. For a final touch, sprinkle with a dash of paprika, some freshly chopped parsley, or a few toasted pine nuts. Enjoy this delightful and authentic dip.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.